Good evening. It's John Kleis Car Audio again. It's Connor. I'm going to go through this KENWOOD installation we've done on this Chrysler 300C. This has had the DMX 8020. I won't bore you with too much of the model numbers, but let's show you what we've actually done. We come over to the inside of the car. There we go. If I can just about get this key in this awkward hole behind here. Turn it on. There we go. 300C Chrysler logo we put on as well. Nice little touch. Wait for this to boot up. Get rid of the disclaimer. So this has got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Means convenient, you don't have to plug your leads in, but if you do want to plug it in, what we've done, and I'll show you, we just go down into the center console. There we go. You can just about see, we've got two USBs here, nice and routed out of the way. So if you do want to charge your phone, you can. If we just go to CarPlay, my phone's already connected. Here we go. So we've got options of music apps, navigation apps, plenty of navigation apps. I use TomTom, wicked app that is, but Waze, very popular, Google Maps, and obviously the one that's built in, the native one, iOS Maps. Home screen, this is the main home screen. You can put your own backgrounds on here, which is quite a nice touch, via the KENWOOD Portal app. That's quite cool, so you can have your own favourite pictures on here. Go for the home screen. This is more options, so you can do wireless mirroring from an Android phone. You've got FM radio built in, just in case you run out of DAB reception. Oh, with DAB, we fit a nice little tidy antenna up there. That's an official KENWOOD DAB aerial, so probably our favourite windscreen DAB aerial out there. And I'll tell you what is really cool, which we've done in this one. I'll just find the remote. If you go to HDMI, we've fitted the customer his own Amazon Fire Stick hidden out of the way, so now while he stopped and safe to do so, not recommend while you're driving, you can then go on Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Amazon Kids, every single possible video app you could possibly want. This is just going for an update at the moment. Wait for that to do that. Yeah, update completed. There we go. So if I go into Netflix, you'll see the famous N load up come in a second. There we go, look at that. Well, Andy. What else is there on this one? Fit a reverse camera as well. So there you go, you've got the reverse camera with guidelines to make sure you don't go too close to the wall behind you. And if you look close, you can just see the installer there. He's sitting down, proud he's completed the job. And there's Max next to him. Right, any questions? You like what you see? When you finished it, you can review us as well. Scan the QR code on the back of here and you can basically review your dealer after it's been installed. We invite you to do so. We're very proud of what we do here. See you soon. Bye.